Tristan Howard Productions presents The Wildlife of Little Hot Springs Valley. It's an hour-long exploration of the biodiversity of a remote scenic region of northeastern California. This program has received wide recognition with multiple PBS broadcasts and theatrical screenings. The Wildlife of Little Hot Springs Valley features entertainment, pleasing imagery, soothing natural sounds, exciting orchestral music, and education. Learn interesting facts. Remarkably, the blood of the western fence lizard is known to kill the type of bacterium that causes Lyme disease. This bacterium is transmitted to people by ticks, but ticks that carry the bacterium are cleansed of it after they bite a western fence lizard. See incredible animal fights. Witness the amusing side of nature and experience the natural world's epic splendor. The Wildlife of Little Hot Springs Valley. Only $19.95 plus $3.25 flat rate shipping. Available at TristanHowardProductions.com.